Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect meringue for key lime pie. First, gather your essential ingredients: 3 large egg whites, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It's crucial to ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and completely free of any grease. Carefully separate the egg whites, making absolutely certain no yolk contaminates them, as even a tiny bit can prevent proper whipping. Now, let's get those egg whites whipping. Start by beating the egg whites on medium speed until they transform into a foamy, opaque consistency. This initial step is vital for building volume. Next, incorporate the 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This acts as a stabilizer, helping the egg whites hold their structure and achieve maximum fluffiness. Continue whipping, gradually increasing the speed to medium-high until you see soft peaks begin to form. With soft peaks achieved, it's time to add the sweetness. Slowly incorporate the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while your mixer is running on medium-high speed. This gradual addition ensures the sugar dissolves properly. Continue whipping on high speed until the meringue becomes beautifully glossy and forms stiff, firm peaks that stand up straight. The sugar should be completely dissolved, giving your meringue a smooth, stable texture. Finally, let's finish your masterpiece. Carefully spread the perfectly whipped meringue evenly over your cooled key lime pie filling, making sure to seal it all the way to the crust edges. This prevents shrinkage during baking. Place the pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Your meringue will emerge beautifully golden brown on top, ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.